Directed by Omang Kumar and produced by Bhushan Kumar, Krishan Kumar, Sandeep Singh, Bhumi is slated to release on the 22nd of September. The Sanjay Dutt starrer is all set to lock horns with Shraddha Kapoor's Hasina Parkar, which also releases on the same date. As the star cast gathered together for the trailer launch, Ranbir Kapoor, who is currently working on an upcoming biopic based on actor Sanjay Dutt, attended the event too. In addition to Ranbir Kapoor, director Rajkumar Hirani, Vidhu Vinod Chopra were also present at the trailer launch.
ये जो यहाँ खड़ा हुआ है ना संजय दत्त, मुझे काफी साल हो गए हैं, मेरे ख्याल में कहना तो नहीं चाहिए पर ऑलमोस्ट कितने साल हो गए राजू, 30-40 तो हो गए होंगे। ऐसा मेरे को ना कोई मिला है, ना कोई मिलेगा और पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ऐसा कोई आदमी होना। ये मैं आपको बता रहा हूं कि ये एक्सेप्शनल ह्यूमन बीइंग है और मैं एक्चुअली इसको इतने सालों से जानता हूं, लेकिन मैं इसको अब जानने लगा जब राजू ने कहानी इसकी सुनानी शुरू की। तो ये क्या है ये आदमी, इसको आप समझ ही नहीं सकते। मैं समझता हूं कि वी हैव नॉट हैड, आई हैवंट मेट अ मैन लाइक हिम एंड यू नो आई हैव टू से दिस। और मैं गाली वाली दे देता हूं स्टेज पे, हो तो आपको पता ही है, तो मैं सच ही बोल रहा हूं झूठ नहीं बोलता हूं मैं। Exceptional, and I really, from deep down my heart, I wish, and Nanu, of course, has been with us for a long time. I think this team, and I had liked Mary Com, I had called him when I saw the film. So I hope and pray to God that this film is what Sanjay Dutt deserves as a film for a comeback.
संजू मेरे फिल्म करियर का एक बहुत ही अहम हिस्सा है। मैंने अब तक 4 ही फिल्में बनाई हैं, उसमें से 3 में संजू है, 5वीं बना रहा हूं जो संजू के ऊपर है। अब इससे ज्यादा संजू मेरे जीवन का कोई हिस्सा हो नहीं सकता। He has inspired me. He did Munna Bhai, and the way he did it made that film great. And I wouldn't have been what I am because without Sanju. And I totally believe in that. So Sanju to hamare saath, Sanju came back 1.5 years back, and we were all missing him. So Sanju is back, but Sanju the actor is now back. So we've been waiting. वो एक विजुअल थर्स्ट होता है ना, संजू को देखा ही नहीं स्क्रीन पे, 3 साल से नहीं देखा. So I was really waiting to see this trailer, and it's so magical to see Sanju back on screen with that red gulal on his face. Sanju, you're looking magical, and यार पूरी फिल्म ही दिखा दो ना आज. So संजू के बारे में अब मैं ज्यादा नहीं कहूँगा. Let the film come, and then you'll see Sanju the actor here, and you'll see Sanju the man 6 months down the line. And Sanju, all the best. We love you.
Recently, a stunning picture of Ranbir Kapoor's transformation for this biopic broke the internet, and here he is looking as big as Sanjay.
मैंने बायोपिक पर काम करना शुरू किया तो मुझे हमेशा लगा कि ये एक्चुअली बायोपिक नहीं हो सकती, ये एक्चुअली एक साइंस फिक्शन फिल्म है, क्योंकि ऐसी लाइफ एक इंसान को जीना, मतलब मेरे समझ में ही नहीं आया कि ऐसी लाइफ कौन जी सकता है. मुझे एक्चुअली अभी कल की बात है जब संजू सर ने मैसेज किया कि ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे आ जाओ, तो सडनली मुझे एहसास हुआ, अरे यार ये तो मेरा ट्रेलर लॉन्च हो रहा है. फिर पीछे से एक दूसरे रणबीर ने मुझे टपली दिया और कहा कि तुम कभी संजय दत्त बन नहीं सकते, ज़रा इतना फुदको मत, संजू सर का ट्रेलर लॉन्च है, दैट यू हैव टू गो एंड अटेंड. तो मैंने 1 साल इनको एमुलेट करने की कोशिश की. प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि ठीक ठाक किया, क्योंकि ही इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन, नॉट जस्ट इन द इंडस्ट्री बट इन द कंट्री. समथिंग दैट वी ऑल कैन लर्न फ्रॉम हिज लाइफ, वी कैन टेक सो मच फ्रॉम हिज लाइफ. बट हाँ, जब मैं कभी सोचता हूँ बायोपिक के बारे में, इनकी लाइफ के बारे में, यही मेरे सोच में आता है कि ये साइंस फिक्शन फिल्म है, ये एक ड्रामेटिक या रोमांटिक फिल्म नहीं है.
Sanjay plays a father who will do anything to save his daughter Bhumi, played by Aditi Rao Hydari.
The first day, I think I was a little nervous, and I'm usually not nervous, but I was a little nervous because I didn't know Sanju sir at all. But he gave me a big hug and he said, "You're scared of me? You're scared of me?" So that immediately sort of broke the ice, and it was, I think, when the first shot was okay, like Sanju sir said, it was because it was our scene together. And the first shot was okay, and we both breathed. Then I saw him doing the same, and I was like, oh, okay, we're fine. So it was, I think that's what it is. It's an amazing actor makes you better. And a lot of the times I was bouncing off what he was doing. He was acting and I was reacting to him. So it's, and every time he would do something different. So it's always fun. It keeps you on your toes, and it makes it very natural. Sanju sir also doesn't like to rehearse, so that's great fun.
The trailer of Bhoomi was launched on a day which is already special to Sanjay Dutt. It happens to be the birthday of his elder daughter, Trishala Dutt. Sanjay Dutt chose to release the trailer as a surprise for his daughter since the film is important to him. It marks his big screen comeback after serving jail, and also because the film story revolves around the bond of a father and his daughter.
बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है। इसकी स्टोरी, इसकी कहानी एक बहुत ही इमोशनल कहानी है। तो मैंने यही सोचा कि मैंने बोला कि यही पिक्चर 3 साल के बाद अगर आए तो एक ऐसी पिक्चर आए जहाँ इमोशन हो, बाप बेटी का रिश्ता हो, एक लोअर मिडिल क्लास फैमिली की बात हो। तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, इसीलिए मैं।
By the end of the event, when everybody was already on an emotional high, his daughter Trishala sent a heartfelt voice note for her 58-year-old actor father. Manyata Dutt was also present for the special day of her husband, and Sanjay Dutt was all praises for his wife.